that boom boom pow. Them chickens jacking my style. They try to copy my swagger. I'm on that next shit now. I'm sold 3008. You sold 2000 and late. I got that boom boom boom. That future boom boom boom. Let me get it now. Boom boom boom.
Hello? 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 Oh. Oh, I scared you, didn't I? Come on, it's supposed to eat that. I'd like to take yours down right now.
Take it down. That's right. That's right, thank you.
Tell me, what do you see when you're looking at me? Whoa, whoa.
Tell me, what do you see when you're looking at me? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Polly like cracker? Polly want a cracker? Polly. See, I don't know what like gets all pissy. See, I mean, you're the one that always, I say something you're like, I get pissy. Well, it just makes me like you look like a little bitch, and then you get all pissy. Aww, you look like a little bitch in the bed. What? I mean, not sexual. Uh-huh. Wait, camera over here. Camera, not sexual. I mean, when I have his face in the bed. When you have my face in the bed? Yeah. Right. All on the sheet, yeah. Yeah. I don't think how that could be sexual. No. You really saved yourself there that time. Shut up. Tell me, what do you think when you're looking at me? What are you looking for? You want to start something? You want to start something? See, I never do anything. No, you're looking at me. You're the one that gets all... You got some tension in your eyes. You're the one that gets all... If you want to jump, if you're feeling foggy, just go ahead and leave. All the above. So, when are we actually going to see the house? All the above. 6 o'clock.
Let's go right now.
Jeez. It's only like 5:40, right?
Let's go right now.
Fine.
Get my car keys, woman.
All the above.